Coach here, guys. Thanks for taking a minute. Man, every season has its queen of color anyway. This particular season in fall, we're just now getting into the garden mum or bedding mum season. Look at all the buds on this chrysanthemum. Bedding mums are a perennial. You cut them back after big blooms. You'll generally get 2 or 3 good blooms out of them depending on where you're at for September, October, November, and maybe into December depending on your zone. But garden bedding mums, then as soon as February and March roll around, oftentimes you can get a 4th, maybe even a 5th bloom. Deadheading is the key, and don't be afraid to shear a little bit. And then the heat of the summer, you cut it back, it gets kind of semi-dormant and just a little bit of the green-gray foliage, and then come about August, it starts pushing again, and this is the end result. Bedding mum, also known as garden mums, fantastic, good performer, good bed filler if you have that area that has daylilies going to sleep or something like that. You can even keep it in the pot itself and sleeve it with a nice decorative pot for a sunny front porch or back patio or something like that. Really spruces the place up, especially if you have a fall event or something. Very, very good bloomer. They love food. Liquid fertilizer works best because the growing season is somewhat short and you need a little bit of extra phosphorus and that kind of stuff to do the plant well as far as its blooming. Check them out, Garden Mums. Hey, I'll catch you next week. This is Coach. I'll see you. Bye.